Scary money facts you need to know, but probably don't. Money is one of the most important things in our lives. Money is a tool that we use to buy things and make transactions. However, not many people know much about money. This video will help you with some basic knowledge about money and its many aspects. Money is a tool that we use to buy things and make transactions with. This video will help you with some basic knowledge about money and its many aspects. Life is very expensive, but do you know why? This video will explore the scary reasons why life is expensive and how to make it cheaper. Let's talk about money management advice for individuals and households. Money management is about making sure that you have enough money to cover your expenses and that you are saving for the future. It's also about spending your money wisely and not wasting it on things you don't need. There are many different ways to manage your money, but this video will focus on 3 of them: budgeting, saving, and debt repayment. A budget is a plan of how much money you spend each month. You can make a budget using a spreadsheet or an app like Mint, or you need a budget, YNAB, on the App Store. It helps to know what your income is each month and what kinds of expenses you have so that you can decide how much money to spend each week. Saving means not spending all of the money that comes into your bank account every month. Instead, put some away in savings accounts to cover emergencies or future expenses like buying a house or a car. Let's talk about the financial effects of student loan debt on American families. The student loan debt crisis is a major issue in the United States. It is an issue that has been steadily growing for decades and will not go away anytime soon. The student loan debt crisis has grown to become the second largest type of consumer debt in America, only behind mortgages. Student loans are becoming a burden on households and families across America. In 2016 alone, there was $1.3 trillion in outstanding student loans owed by Americans from all walks of life. This is an increase from $600 billion in 2008 and $200 billion in 2000. Here's a scary money fact: the cost of living is rising faster than your income. How can you keep up? The cost of living is rising faster than your income and has been like this for quite some time. It is becoming harder to keep up with the rising costs of rent, utilities, groceries, and other expenses. Americans are not saving enough for the future. In fact, only 20% of Americans have more than $10,000 in savings. Why is this scary? This is scary because it means that most Americans will have to rely on Social Security in retirement or other forms of government assistance. In order to combat this problem, we need to make sure that everyone is saving for their futures. One way to do this on the government level is to increase the national minimum wage and provide tax incentives for employers that offer really good retirement benefits. This is a really short video, but if you like this short video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, or if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. Happy Halloween, guys!